Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I'm out here playing a little tennis, but I had to take a quick break because a thought came in my mind, and I wanted to ask real quick. You know, this love thing, right? We have an idea of what we want when it comes to love. We would like to have, you know, a beautiful looking person, right? Because that attraction is important, right? And if that person could have a little money, that would be great. Matter of fact, I heard a friend of mine say, if I can get this one guy that I want, I'm gonna marry me a rich man. I had to think, like, what does that mean? Like, what happened to quality? What happened to communication? What happened to, like, you know, uh, the genuineness of happiness? Like, you just enjoy being in the person's presence. Like, what happened to those things? But if the person has money, is that because you like to do a shopping spree? Would that be it? What would the money do? Um, because I know a lot of people that have a lot of money and still cannot find love and still cannot find what will make their lives like happier, having a partner even with all the money that they have. So I'm a little bit confused because I thought it was all about chemistry, connection, especially that connection, where you could be in the person's presence and you're like, oh my god, you feel good, like you feel beyond good. What? Because if you strip away the money, if you strip away the looks, I know looks is important, no doubt about it. I understand that. But if you strip those things away, you know, could the person's being who they are really make you feel whole and complete? Because here's what I think. Let's say you find a person that will, that has the money and even has the looks. Will you be caged? Now will you have to surrender who you actually are? You know, and be controlled and be again caged, like you're just caged. You cannot really be free to be yourself. What, for a dollar? I don't know, man. Compared to just being patient. you know I know people lack patience these days. They want to speed date. They want to get to know you in 2 minutes and see if you can click, and if you can click, let's do this. Compared to taking the time. Take the time to know somebody and see if that works. And if it works, then go to the next level. Um, be patient. You know, it's the person you want or desire or whatever what you being caged. Because I know a lot of people that are caged, miserable, hate going home because it's like, I don't want to deal with that. I mean, they'll literally park down the street from their house, dreading to go in, hoping the person goes to bed and or just whatever, just dreading. Do you know somebody that has parked outside their house or down the street or in some parking lot somewhere because they don't want to go home because it's a cage environment? I'm just saying. So just something to think about. You know, I think we just need to go back to the basics. Of just simply being patient with ourselves, know what we corely need within ourselves, and as you mingle here, mingle there, and run into somebody, don't just jump right on in and be like, hey, let's get married right now. Hey, let's date right now. But just take your time. Just be friends. You know, just friends, and just let it build. That way you get to know the person. And if the person fits, sure. And if it doesn't fit, you can still remain friends. Just food for thought, you know. But if you want to be caged, then keep doing what you're doing, and you definitely be caged for sure. But anyway, let me go back and play another round real quick. But have a good day. One love. Like I said, I had to take a quick break and share that thought that came to my mind. All right. Y'all have a wonderful day. Again, it's Mother's Month, so happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers. And one love, big hugs, peace.